True or false? First, Python is a high-level programming language. True. Second, Python was created by James Gosling. False. The true answer is Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Third, Python uses indentation to define code blocks. True. Fourth, strings in Python must be enclosed in double quotes. False. The true answer is strings can be enclosed in single or double quotes. Fifth, the int data type represents floating point numbers. False. The true answer is int represents integers. Sixth, Python has built-in functions such as print bracket. True. Seventh, the equality operator checks if two values are equal. True. Eighth, in Python, all functions must be defined before they are called. True. 9. Python supports multiple numeric types including int, float, and complex. True. 10th. Whitespace is not significant in Python syntax. False. The true answer is whitespace is significant in Python. 11. Python does not support user-defined function. False. The true answer is Python supports user-defined function. 12. The len functions returns the length of a list or string. True. 13. Python is case insensitive when it comes to variable names. False. The true answer is Python is case insensitive. 14. The print function can only print strings. False. The true answer is the print function can print various data types. 15. In Python, float is used for decimal numbers. True. 16. The plus operator in Python can be used to concatenate strings. True. 17. The str data type represents number in Python. False. The true answer is str represents string of text. 18. Python supports both single and multi-line comments. True. 19. The input function is used to get user input in Python. True. 20. In Python, 0 and false are considered equal. True. Fill in the blanks. First, Python is a high-level programming language. Second, Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Third, strings in Python can be enclosed in single or double quotes. Fourth, the int data type represents integer numbers. Fifth, the print function is a built-in function in Python. Sixth, the equality operator is used to check for equality between two values. Seventh, the range function generates a sequence of numbers. 8. Functions created by users are called user-defined functions. 9. The len function returns the length of an object. 10th. In Python, variable names are case sensitive. 11th. The input function is used to get input from the user. 12th. To combine two strings in Python, use the plus operator. 13th. The float data type represents decimal numbers. 14th. Lists in Python are mutable, meaning they are modified. 15th. Python supports multi-line comments for documentation purposes. 16th. The type functions returns the type of an object. 17. Python uses the quotes to delimit strings. 18. The range function starts at 0 by default.